Yoga Guru Swami Ramdev arrives in Imphal to inaugurate yoga treatment and meditation camp at Hapta Kangjibung tomorrow. Amuko urges all communities to work together to serve the common interests of the people of Manipur. Women vendors reoccupy earthquake-damaged markets in Khwarambal Kaithel as a last resort, accuse government of neglecting their plight. And Manipur and Railways to clash in the final of the first Rani Gaidalu All India Women's Invitation Football. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime English News. I'm Ranita Tensubam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Renowned Yoga Guru Swami Ramdev arrived in Imphal today. Baba Ramdev will inaugurate the 5-day yoga treatment and meditation camp tomorrow at Hapta Kangjibung. The camp is organized by Bharat Swabhiman Trust and Patanjali Yoga Samiti, Manipur unit, and it will continue till the 17th of this month. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, Baba Ramdev said, doing yoga helps not only in fighting diseases but also keeps the body and mind fit and healthy. Baba Ramdev said he has taught yoga to around 20 crore people by organizing camps across the nation. He said Acharya Kulam, a modern and Vedic education institute which will have classes from 5 to 12, will be established soon. He said Patanjali Yoga Samiti will allot rupees 1 crore to develop Ved Vidyapit located at Char Hazari. Patanjali Yoga Samiti has over 400 centers across the state, which includes 237 centers alone in Imphal city. The 5-day yoga treatment and meditation camp will be telecast live in India and abroad by more than 200 television channels.
कि योग से आप अपनी बीमारी को कंट्रोल ही नहीं क्योर कर सकते हो। हमने 3 बातें बड़ी की। मॉडर्न मेडिकल साइंस में बीमारियों को कंट्रोल किया जाता है। पेन मैनेजमेंट, बीपी मैनेजमेंट, शुगर मैनेजमेंट, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, थायराइड का, एवरी डिजीज, गैस, एसिडिटी, इंसोम्निया, तो हर बीमारी को, डिप्रेशन, वो कंट्रोल करते हैं। हम बीमारियों को क्योर करते हैं और हमने लाखों नहीं करोड़ों लोगों की बीमारियों को क्योर किया है।
All Manipur United Clubs organization today urge all the communities living in Manipur to leave behind self-interest and work together to serve the common interests of the people. Amuko today celebrated its 23rd Foundation Day at the auditorium of the organization at Kwakaithel, Akham Lekai. Speaking on the occasion, All Manipur United Clubs organization president Dr. Y. Manikhuman reiterated that each and every community must make adjustment to protect the integrity and unity of the state. Irabor Foundation Manipur President T.H. Iboyaima said he was ready to sacrifice his life for the welfare of the people. He maintained that there will be no Manipur without the hills. He also stressed that the relation between the hill people and valley people should be based on trust and love. Iboyaima recalled that during the king's reign in the past, the kings maintained Chingmi Loisang to serve the needs of the hill people. Members of Amuko and various civil society organizations took part in the celebration.
In Toduna, Togan Toba, Bibam Toba, Chingy Biba, Chingy, Tabsawan, Masha, Yan Hanna, the Carboy, Adudada, when you put the letter on the English Yamashe, Chingy, Sino Shingu, Tamushe, and when you see with the Galley, Mosha Han Shabbat Badragale, Iskun Shabbat Badragale, let me put the barking of the Tonelli, Chingy Bajaban with the Shipidamini, Ching Tadogan and Kukuya. Aduna, Mokoku, Pokona, Amtara, Wokai, Lemina Batai, Aduna Dragati, Honey, Nushino, Madam Hansel Halado, to young tournament to the Wabasi.
Amuko President Dr. Y. Manikhuman said various communities live in Manipur and civil society organizations work under to serve their ideologies. Manikhuman observed sometimes this leads to conflicts and contradictions. He emphasized the need to realize the self and check the mindset in the common interests of all.
I could put my Pamba, Magia Pamba, and Amagia Pamba, my MC, I could adjust on a Sabinargadi. Society, will be a healthy society. If we don't have any adjustment among our community, that community will be very difficult to develop. The different kind of obstacle, mangdali. Lairiba obstacle mayam se, kanana obstacle pidi. Kanana upon pidi development da. Hai se, masigi element mayamama, community single lairiba, individual lairiba, or the political line the lairiba, economic line, pretty much in chair. I could part identified over Sangi.
Works Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar today inaugurated the Yangoi Karong Valley Bridge connecting Mayang Imphal constituency and Oinam constituency. The bridge was constructed at an estimate cost of Rs 8.55 crore under the Special Plan Assistance Scheme of Government of India. The Public Works Department began the construction in October 2013. In his inaugural speech, Works Minister Ratan Kumar expressed the hope that Bailey Bridge would be of great help in the communication of people living in and around Bisnupur district and Mayang Imphal. He also assured the people that the 14-kilometer stretch of road on the sides of the bridge would also be constructed. The minister also laid the foundation for the Rs 5 crore Liklai Karong Valley Bridge. PWD Chief Engineer M. Lokendro and Additional Chief Engineer K.H. Temba were among those who attended the inauguration.
Highway Mari, Aduna.
Fauna Lambi Sigi, same Sagadova, Akoi, Bisenpur Saiki Saruksi, Karawali, Masimasu Akoi, Matang Akoi, Pakan Anabakoi, Wanazagani, SPA Makada, Masekoi Haptinjadana, Akoi Ladiba Tong, Amadi, Akoi Ladiba Lambi, Haptinjadana, Huziki Luchele, Aduga Makataba, Huziki, Pakat Zagadoriba, Liglai Karungi Tong Sina, Akoi Masina Akoi Plan Gi, Head Ki Makada, Honorable Chief Minister, Haijaraba Matunda, Magna Suyabidana, Kuror Manga Mukchangadova, Adumba Valley Bridge, Amani.
Women vendors have reoccupied the two earthquake-damaged markets in Quarambal Kaithel as a last resort and carried out on their business inside the damaged structure. They also accused the government of neglecting their plight. The women vendors removed the fence of the two markets as they could no longer sit in the open under the Bir Tikendrajit flyover and roadsides due to the inclement weather. However, no work has begun for the construction of the temporary market, Hau Kaithel and Purana market. The construction of the 3 temporary sheds in the east of the Bir Tikendrajit Park is likely to be completed by the 25th of this month. It may be mentioned that Education Minister Moirangthem Okendro, who is also the spokesperson of the government, had earlier assured that construction of Hau Kaithel temporary market and Purana market would be taken on a war footing. The women vendors have now reoccupied the damaged markets, defying prohibitory orders as a final resort. They maintain that as the government has failed to take timely action, they are risking their lives to earn their livelihood. It may be recalled that Manipur Kaithel Famba Apunba Lup yesterday warned the government with intense agitation if the construction of temporary market sheds do not begin by the 15th of this month.
Yamki na Pangrasani, Tawai Kubak Tapagato by the Equator, Nung Ching Tarabanina, Jana Pinatabanina, Piro, Nina, Chola Gadia, are they home of it, Tanotanaba, Posata, are they the Ekaidogo, my Ampuna Max, Mina, Nung Ching Tarabanina, Upilate, and Sangajana, the Sanjana Panida.
Zara Hendana Mayamna, Hunger Sack Tolidana, Adudagi Hen and Lura of Kongbam Yaquintoris, Samilana Toriba Kongman the Hilaban Yaquina Toribas. See a quick Punsika Topani. Sidamoy came to Canbide, Aduna Moina Toribase, Hoy, Yamna Budimogi Makota Lembaya, Adu what the Yam Pazavonga, Hoji Ima, Numi Mangani Tarani Yum the Lebu, a quick tuna sabige. Hide with a quick lazy Yayaba.
Khumanthem Daina Devi of Singzame Top Thongkam Lekai has cleared the Indian Forest Service IFS examination 2015. The IFS main examination 2015 was conducted by the Union Public Service Commission UPSC in November and December last year, followed by personality tests in January and February this year, after which the final results were declared. Khumanthem Daina, daughter of Ibeyama Devi, and Khumanthem Chandramani, Director of Fire Service and MPTC, secured the 9th rank. Daina was a topper in the 2007 board examination of the state. She also secured the highest marks in the BSc examination 2012 Physics Honours in Delhi University. Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarathi Parisad AVVP, Manipur Unit and Manipur University Unit today protested the agitation by students against the hanging of Afzal Guru at Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. The members of the ABVP Manipur Unit and MU staged a protest at the main gate of Manipur University.
Terrorist Afzal Guru Farsi Togi Matanga, not the Pao Kaya Haisel Manipur State AVP Unit Nasu condemned of Jerry have to Utpo in Angasi program of Germany. Demonstration as it when hijacking as minor international student organization, Mamma Tulaga Nasagi, India integrity to Gaina Honoriba, Wakalon Landa Pubiba, Satramambu, Serana Lamsing Viva Mamse, Sibu Yaninto Fonto Poinangasi, AVP Manipur State of MU Unit, Zetanasi demonstration of Germany.
Manipur Students Association, Chandigarh yesterday organized career counselling at Postgraduate Government College, Sector 11, Chandigarh. About 80 students attended the counselling. Sandeep Sharma, Assistant Director, Office of Student Outreach, Karambir Singh, Senior Manager, Office of Student Outreach, K.L. Malhotra, Deputy Director of Tourism Department, Punjab, R.K. Basanta, Director of Tourism Department, Punjab, were resource persons. Lilong Higher Secondary Madrasa in a press note informs that lecturer in Education State Awardee 2015 L. Nabakumar will provide fees, free books and stationery items to the students of class 6 to 10 studying in the madrasa. Former employees of Akhoi Punna Hingminawa Thrift and Cooperative Society Limited, Chengagai, Maninglekai have alleged that the society has refused to refund their security deposit. They spoke to media at Manipur Press Club today. President of Ex-Employee Demand Committee, Yumnam Medona, said about 15 employees of the society resigned after they were not paid salaries for 2 months. She said the managing director of the society, Chingtham Dharmendra, has refused to refund the security deposit when they asked him. She demanded that the managing director return their security deposit along with 2 months' salaries by the 26th of this month.
Lupa lishing tara thadaba matamda 32 days sidan lupa chamri khomaga magi paisa che loisandoi ne bako aduda sigi system je akoina form tha ho drain khalo akoida yamna thina akoida pressure piba adagi wangang sangang da nupi angang leiba staff khaida yam phajadaba wangang sangang sijinarakpa kholakpa mayam siga khoi mayamna yaningdaba dagi sumaina kaubane bako akoi gi ju thabak tawjararoge paisa halo haisidi akoina thabak tawdragadi mangonda deposit thamubai kai kana doino sine ba khoi haise mana tolo piba ngamdramnina akoi thabak atopa mengjage habaneba.
Let's take a small commercial break. Keep watching Impact News.
Shanghai Plastic Storage Tank Sizinnabi Yansinaba Potlam Yaudriba LLDP Ina Sazava Shanghai Sizinnabi Fangbigida size singly 200, 300, 500, 750, 1000, 1500 Amashun 2000 liter Chahi Taragi Kerenti Galoinana Kenaba Makal Kudingi Apamba Masushin Fangbigani.
Kurumjari Shija Manipur Ambulance Service Adongi Kamdong Mating Pangsige.
Mana nungtagi chari maru marang yaw bachingjak sing siyang. Masin hakchangi pangala ma deliver sohan batana tana. Pok nava acidity cha batum dabana chingba kya nar kuya.
Imana pirak hakchang ngakna bidak lairisidi lipse namana basinga nungtiri party. Sanga chadrabadi sukya magyadabra adumna khangdramale masina pukna bathinbagi awaba thohanba yai
lipsam tigi chabana acidity chabatum daba khong haba yataba phali aduga chaksu lamale
liver bu farabadi punsi su superhit oire.
Welcome back. You are watching Primetime News. Thongkhong Lakshmi Bazar Nagar Panchayat Council was newly constituted today. Chandam Renubara was elected chairperson while Mayang Mayum Islamuddin as vice chairperson. The felicitation for elected councillors and ward members was held at Wangoi MLA O Lukhoi's office. Trinamool Congress formed the council as 6 newly elected councillors of 11 wards joined the Trinamool Congress. 6 councillors and 13 ward members were also felicitated today. Speaking at the function, MLA Lukhoi advised the newly elected councillors and ward members to work together towards the development of the area.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯇꯦꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯝꯑꯦꯜꯑꯦꯒ ꯆꯤꯌꯔꯄꯔꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯂꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯇꯥꯊꯣꯛ ꯇꯥꯁꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯒꯔ ꯄꯟꯆꯥꯌꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯐꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯝꯑꯦꯜꯑꯦꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯁꯦꯟꯐꯝ ꯀꯌꯥꯃꯔꯣꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯌꯨꯇꯤꯂꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯒꯔ ꯄꯟꯆꯥꯌꯠ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯁꯥꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥ ताꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯖꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯔꯒꯅꯤ.
Advisor of Foundation for Rural and Urban Development Manipur, Lai Khuram Tomba, today appealed to the authorities concerned to open Pong Lambi in the interest of the people of the area. Addressing media persons at his residence, Lai Khuram Tomba said one should use one's power in the right way. He said roads for pedestrians are allotted even at times of band blockade in the world. Tomba said they will not take the undemocratic way to press the demands. He also advised the people in politics not to politicize the Pong Lambi issue.
Pham mai se tasengna yam mafam sana sidaning pham paidana mase lore mayam ju khanbiyu chairman amasung honorable semna pairiba MP sarkano congress sarkar sina wakhan kitang khanbiraga minuksi yengaga nongpong magi gi yengaga parjagi yengaga anayak puba yabungdi thamjagadrana khoi ngaijarakpani adu makhoida adugi ibunji leidabra khangde akhoi tasengna abda khoi se makhoi mapani haibagi masasing maspapada ngangmadong ngangjabani wakhan kitang khanbidana masamdang phatpinaba laiba general election sin nangnaba masamdang ni phatpiyum parjagi yengaga kano angam bathusing da khoi haijari.
Chanura Microfin Manipur today organized the 10th day of the 4th phase Financial Literary Mass Awareness Campaign 2016 under the sponsorship of Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI, at Sri Sri Radha Krishna Mandap, Kwakathel, Thokchom Laikai. 2 Bihar of Headquarter 9 Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South today organized a free medical camp at the orphanage at Takil. Children of Maitei Furup, Children Home, Takil were treated for various ailments including hepatitis B, dental disorders. 75 children were treated and medicines were also distributed. A one-day seminar on handloom and textile was held today in Salemphai, Chandil district. Over 200 people attended the seminar held under Northeastern Region Textile Promotion Scheme. It was organized jointly by Directorate of Commerce and Industries Department, District Handloom and Textile Chandil District and Consortium Committee Women Handloom Cluster. The second Foundation Day of All Meitei Christian Art and Culture Observation Council was celebrated today. All Meitei Christian Art and Culture Observation Council said every religion is different from one another, but a person following a particular religion cannot shun the tradition and culture of Meitei. Manipur Legislative Assembly Deputy Speaker attended the function held at Tribal Research Center, Chingmairong.
The Western culture gate feature setuna koi Christian simulan uhan basi udananaba ai koi paipu gi haktagi sadun lai feature singak koi culture ji pangthok minanaba aidana ngasigi amka ko hariba all Meitei Christians Art and Culture Observation Council na sumaina ai koi Meitei Christian punusi culture ga mari leinaba thabok thorom khudimuk se koi ngakminaba haiduna ai koi khongjang sil changsin jabani
culture ga religion ga se tongan ba posak amamni masi kari gi damakta koina punsan na uhan gaduri bano haibasi akoi gi asoba approach amoy maramaduna akoi na Meitei Christian na lejeris de aina Christian orakpa matamda Meitei gi samna bau hongba leiti sini.
Sahitya Academy, New Delhi is organizing Festival of Letters from February 15. An 18-member cultural troupe of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy will participate in the festival. The cultural troupe will perform Pungchalom and Basantaras. On the other hand, a Manipuri cultural troupe will participate in the Dharohar Festival of Diverse Culture of India with special focus on the Northeast, organized by Sangeet Natak Academy Northeast Center, Guwahati. A 12-member troupe will present Basanta Ras on the 15th of this month. Now news from the world of sports. Manipur and Railways will meet in the final of the first Rani Gaidalu All India Women's Invitation Football Tournament at Khuman Lampak Main Stadium. In the first semi-final played today, Manipur's N. Ratan Bala netted a goal in the 74th minute to defeat West Bengal by a solitary goal. The match saw players of West Bengal display unsporting behavior and players of both the teams physically attack each other. In the second semi-final, Railways thrashed Odisha 5-0 to book a berth in the final. Match Commissioner K.H. Sarachandra and Referee Inspector K.S.H. Madhuchandra tried to best to prevent untoward incidents during the matches. Zillarong Sporting Union is hosting the tournament under the aegis of All India Football Federation and All Manipur Football Association. The final match will be played on the 14th of this month. The 13th Sentinel Cup and 7th Junior Boys State Equestrian Championship began today at Mapal Kangjibung. On the opening day today, ex-Polo Club Wanghai player A. Churchill and K. Pushmani, Chingkhai Hunba Polo Club Kongpal player T.H. Manisana, N. Bablu and H. Nompok Nganba, KMM Riding School Singzamai player M. Kuber and K.H. Ronaldo, Imphal Riding Club player L. Rohit and N. Sathasen and CS Polo Club Nongmai Bung player K. Thomtang participated in the Junior Boys Show Jumping Round. The championship is organized by Manipur Equestrian Association under the sponsorship of Assam Rifles. The championship will continue till the 15th of this month. Junior National Kickboxing Championship 2015-2016 and Cadet Senior Federation Cup 2016 will be held from February 16 to 21 at Tal Katora Indoor Stadium, New Delhi. Kickboxing Association of Manipur in a press note informs that a 55-member kickboxing team of boys and girls along with 4 officials will leave Imphal on Saturday. India today continued its stunning show in shooting at the 12th South Asian Games that swept both the 10-meter standard pistol individual as well as team event. In the individual section, Neeraj Kumar bagged gold, Gurpreet Singh silver and Mahendra Singh the bronze. The trio also won gold in the team event. India has bagged 146 gold, 79 silver and 23 bronze. In Kabaddi, Indian men's team defeated Nepal 47-23 in a group match. India will take on Pakistan for the gold medal in the hockey at 8 p.m. tonight. Swami Ramdev arrives in Imphal to inaugurate yoga treatment and meditation camp at Hatta Kanjibung. Amuko urges all communities to work together to serve the common interests of the people of Manipur. Women vendors reoccupy earthquake-damaged markets in Khwairamal as a last resort, accuse government of neglecting their plight. And Manipur and Railways to clash in the final of the first Rani Gaidalu All India Women's Invitation Football. Thank you very much for being with us. Stay tuned for the Primetime Manipuri News and Impact News discussion. Manu Khutna. Till then, good night.
Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited na miyam da nungairaba pausel. Credit Link Subsidy Scheme CLSS under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana PMAY Housing for All by 2022 haiba mission asiga loinana handakta 17 June 2015 da loans tawkraba scheme asigi makhada Northeastern Region of India ki ahanba IFC license holder oikraba amadi lising ani sumna taramanga gi December ki tang 19 da Ministry of Finance Government of India na recognition pirakraba Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited PSFCL Uripok Imphal na lamdam sida leiriba paka building oina yum sabidriba imungsing aduga saba loisindana leiriba yumsing loinana room extension repairing renovation na chingbasing asigi damakta lupa lakh 2 lising kun gi subsidy yaw